Full glass factory project in Toronto, Canada. Overhead crane 5 tons. Whole factory machines A to Z. Electric glass storage 2,440 by 3,660 millimeters. 4,200 by 2,800 millimeters glass cutting line. 4,200 by 2,800 millimeters automatic glass loading table. 4,200 by 2,800 millimeters CNC glass cutting machine. Laser marking optional. Glass breaking table. 4 sides glass seaming line. Automatic glass loading table 2,000 by 3,000 millimeters. 4 sides seaming machine. 2,500 millimeters horizontal glass washing machine. 2,000 by 3,000 millimeters waterjet cutting machine. 11 motors glass edging machine. Glass drilling machine. Manual glass seaming machine. Superspacer IG line. Hot melt sealing robot. Vacuum lifter for suckers 300 kilograms. Glass tempering furnace machine 2,440 by 4,200 millimeters.